When no external power supply is connected, press and hold the power button until you hear a beep and then release it. Remove the ink cartridge. Add the appropriate amount of ink to the ink tank. The CMYK of the ink bottle corresponds to the color of the ink tank 1:1. Open the air vent plug of each ink tank. Place the ink cartridge back into the cartridge compartment and close the cover. Open RA-line control software. The system interface changes from gray to bright color. Click Operation. First, test whether the machine moves up, down, left and right normally. Sliding buttons move the machine. Test whether the print head can move back and forth. After everything is normal, proceed to pump ink. Slide the pump ink button once. Now pump out the ink from the ink sac. There will be a pause of about 20 seconds. Then pump the air out of the line. It takes about a minute to complete one pump of ink. After you finish pumping the ink, remove the ink absorber. Gently wipe excess ink from the print head with a clean, dry paper towel. Inkjet testing is now possible. Attach the white paper to the print head. One-click inkjet test. Now the yellow test result has cross color. Now only yellow ink is sprayed out. Inkjet test again. The yellow result is now qualified. Complete the blue test the same way. Now the inkjet test results are qualified and you can start printing. Move the machine next to the wall. Now adjust the distance between the machine and the wall. Lock wheels. Click on Auto. The print head turns on automatic mode. The printing starting point is set at the lower left corner of the wall. Open image processing software. Open the file and select a picture. Modify the height or width of the image. Set image printing precision. Click to start printing. Now the machine starts printing pictures. Accelerating playback. You can pause printing while printing pictures. You can switch the print speed here. Click to continue printing. Continue printing pictures. Accelerating playback. When clicking pause to cancel printing. The system will automatically mark the pause location to save the data. If the machine is moved, simply realign the marking position. Open Continue pattern. Click to start printing. The machine continues printing unfinished pictures at the paused position. Accelerating playback. If the picture you printed today is not completed, you need to continue printing tomorrow. Pause and cancel printing. Retract the print head and lower the print head to the lowest point. Shut down. Install the ink absorber. Turn on the computer the next day, and you can start printing after the inkjet test results pass. Open Reline Control software. Turn on the automatic and align with the pause mark position. Open Continue mode. Open Image Processing software. Open the same picture and set the same parameters. Click to start printing. Pictures achieve perfect splicing and printing. Speed up playback. Printing completed. After each printing is completed, the print head needs to be returned and lowered to the lowest point. Finally, install the ink absorber and shut down the machine. Thank you for watching.